Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is another product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This kit is used in the Volkswagen 01M 4-speed automatic transmission. This particular kit includes 3 liters of the Revenol 54HP transmission fluid, the transmission filter, a transmission pan gasket, some necessary hardware, a fluid transfer pump, and some instructions. The Revenol 54HP is a 100% fully synthetic transmission fluid made in Germany. This ATF is not a one-do-all universal ATF as typically seen in the industry today. Rather, Revenol 54HP is specifically designed and engineered to be used in the Volkswagen 4-speed transmissions. Revenol 54HP meets the VW TL52162 transmission fluid specification, or also known as part number G052162A2. This is the only ATF specification that should be used in the VW 4-speed automatic transmissions. If you don't specifically see that spec indicated on the bottle, it's not the proper fluid for your transmission. When it comes to the filter and the pan gasket, these are OEM German components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the genuine components. Also, we have a fluid transfer pump, which helps greatly with transferring the fluid into the transmission. We also have the fill plug, along with the fill plug security cap, which are identical to the originals, as well as the drain plug sealing washer, as well as some necessary hardware for mounting the transmission pan and pan gasket. We also include step-by-step instructions, which are specific to the 01M Volkswagen 4-speed automatic transmissions. So that's an overview on our automatic transmission fluid and filter change kit for the 01M 4-speed automatic transmission for the VW application. If you have any questions on our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits, feel free to give us a call, or you can visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.